If you're a beginner like me when it comes to makeup, here are a few things that I've learned so far. When it comes to makeup, primer is important. Literally. When you wear a primer, it literally grips all of your makeup and everything that you're putting on your face. Also, when it comes to foundations, do you guys know that there's two types of foundations? Dewy foundation and matte foundation. Matte foundation is basically a very dry foundation and it's very good if you have oily skin. However, I like a little bit of glow, so I keep my foundations in the dewy side. Also, there is a difference between contour sticks and bronzer sticks. However, I don't know, but I feel like for me, since I'm a beginner, I like to use my contour sticks as bronzer and contour. Do you get it? Because it gives me kind of like a subtle look, but yet it looks like I have something, but not too much. I'm pretty sure in the future, I'll contour my face a little bit more, but right now, I think I'm okay with the bronzer contour stick type of look that I do. And for concealer, do we have a right or wrong way to apply it? To be honest, a lot of people say apply a concealer, let it sit, and then blend. Some people, like I have, just apply the concealer and blend. To be honest, I see no difference. I do see a difference after blending my concealer. Once I'm blending and I'm done, I let the concealer sit after blending. Give it a few minutes and then look at your concealer and see if there's areas around your eyes, maybe a little bit around your cheeks or the bottom of your nose that may need a little bit more blending. That's the only time that I go back to blend, but I don't think there really is a right or wrong way to apply concealer. And before y'all get on me about this eyeshadow look, this is one of the days where I am practicing my makeup. So trial and error, okay? But the main focus here was eyeshadows and my skin tone and complexion, right? So sometimes we get an eyeshadow palette and it's so beautiful, it's so nice. And then we put it on and it's like, wait, why it doesn't look the same? And that for me is kind of like so sad because again, the makeup industry is growing and they're being more inclusive and diverse, and I love that. But as you're learning, don't get disappointed when the color doesn't really show how you are looking at it, how you're envisioning. Like for me, the blue is showing, but there was another blue that kind of made it look green. And as you can see, I did not want green, but I have kind of like an olive peach undertone. So that's what's going to happen. And so far, that's all that I've noticed while I've been practicing and doing my makeup. And of course, I'm going to share these things with you guys because I know that there's a lot of girlies out there that are learning to do their makeup, want to do their makeup. And sometimes we go or we have a vision of something and it doesn't come out the way that it's supposed to. But that's okay. Like, look at me. This is not how I wanted my makeup to look, but you have to practice. The more practice that you do, the better you're going to get. And remember, everybody has a signature makeup style. You just got to find yours.